For those of you who don't know me, my name is Kathy Halilia Koma, and I am a fully ordained Buddhist priest and Dharma teacher, and I have been for 20 years. I lived in a Buddhist center for over 10 years, and when I first got there, and throughout most of my time there, I adored Buddhism. I adored the Buddha, I adored the Dharma, and there's a word, Sangha, that we use to describe the community of Buddhist practitioners. And I adored that too. I studied hard, I taught, I absorbed, I learned. I got to spend hours and days and months and years with my teacher. But then Hurricane Katrina happened. And Katrina taught me something that my teacher couldn't teach me. And that is, there seems to be limits to Buddhism. That there seems to be a type of disinterest that Buddhism cannot address fully. So I want to, in this talk to Black people. All the rest of you are free to listen, but the truth is I want to talk to Black people because right now, in this time of COVID-19, I feel like I've come up against, once again, the limits of Buddhism. And what I mean by that is sickness, the Buddha talks about. Death, the Buddha talks about. But even though we're getting sick at these enormous numbers, even though we're dying in these enormous numbers, there are still people who are literally going out of their way to murder us. And it is that part that I don't believe Buddhism can really address. Now, I know there are people who are probably not Black who are going to say all kinds of things about how to address this with Buddhism. I'm not talking to you guys. I'm talking to the people who are walking down the street wondering if they're going to get home tonight. I'm talking to the people who have lost parents and children to a virus and then are afraid to call the authorities because the authorities will probably kill them. That's who I'm talking to. So if you have an answer to that, share it with each other. Don't share it with me. And I'm not saying that I don't want Buddhism to address this. As a matter of fact, this is probably my pleading prayer that it does address this. I would love for the thing that has taken me through the last 20, 25 years to be able to help me with this. I would love that. What happened during Katrina is I found a way to get through it. And that way is the same thing that made those beautiful ladies start Black Lives Matter. And that is a love for Black people, a love for struggle, and a love and a belief in our nation. So when Katrina happened, I took that love, the love that a mother has for her children. That's how the Buddha described loving kindness. It is the love that a mother has for their children. I took that love that I had for Buddhism, and I went to New Orleans. And there I found a community of like-minded people, people who wanted to make things better in the moment, right now. So I'm going to tell you, loving kindness took me to a place. Let me say that again. The belief in loving kindness took me to a place where I could use these tools, these Buddhist tools, these things I know about, to make life better for people who were suffering. But it did not explain what was happening in New Orleans. And it does not explain what's going on right now. What it does, it gives me a place to start doing something. The Buddha said, love the world, everyone in it, like your mother loves you. Powerful stuff. First time I heard it, I wasn't really even a Buddhist. I was just a person who was thinking about becoming a Buddhist. And it sounded ridiculous to me. I mean, it didn't really sound like a big idea. It literally sounded like something that nobody would say and no one could believe. To love the entire world like my mother loved me. I'm her oldest child, her baby Kathy. I can't imagine that. Today, I cannot imagine that. But at the time I heard about it, it was ridiculous. Now it's not ridiculous. But now I've been doing loving kindness practice for over 20 years. So I know that my love can grow. Can it grow as large as that? I'm assuming that it can, but I can tell you honestly, it has not. I don't love those guys who murder us. I don't love a government that ignores us. I don't. And the truth is, I wish I could. I wish I could. Loving kindness. May you be happy. May you be healthy and well. May you be free. These are things we wish for everyone, starting from ourselves and radiating out. May I be happy. May I be healthy and well. May I be free. Then going to the people who are closest to you, my family, my mother, Marcy. May you be happy. May you be happy and well. May you be safe. May you be free. Then out further to our friends, close friends. May you be happy. May you be healthy and well. May you be safe. May you be free. And we sit with this feeling of wishing wellness on people we love, wishing freedom for people we love, wishing safety for for people we love. And we let that feeling overwhelm us. We sit, we say, we imagine them. And I say it. Say the words. May you be safe. May you be free. May you be happy. May you be well. And from those friends, we go out to familiar strangers, people we see all the time at the grocery store, for example, the postman, for example, people in Los Angeles, literally people who live across the street, who we may not know that well. May you be well. May you be safe. May you be happy. May you be free. Be safe. Be safe. And we take this idea, this feeling of loving kindness, and we let it overwhelm us. Fill our bodies with happiness and sadness at the same time, with fear and safety at the same time. I know that every time somebody goes out into the streets, there's a chance that I may not see them again. So I allow myself to feel the fear and then to wish and hope and wish them and pray for them, their safety, their wellness. Do something for the world today. It's hard being in your house, but you can do something. You can use these social media tools to reach out to somebody, but really reach out, talk to people. Let them know that you wish them well. Let them know that you wish that they are safe. And if you have to, if you must, allow yourself to fall apart. Allow yourself to snivel and snot and cry on the phone, on the Zoom, on the Facebook, whatever it is you're using. Allow that to happen. Allow yourself to fall apart. Be well and happy. Be safe and free. And for all of you, I wish you all love, peace, blessings, innumerable, immeasurable love, peace, and blessings. I love you, and I am trying to love you as my mother loves me. But I do wish you safety. I do wish you wellness. I do wish you peace and freedom. Thank you for listening.